Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I have ordered this on Amazon. Okay, this is the two-way pipe. See here, the two-way pipe. So actually I have a requirement something like one, I have to keep it to the instant portable geyser, and one is the normal outlet. So see here in my restroom, see there is a single pipe. Now I have to fix it or replace it here, so that this output will be to the instant portable geyser, and this is for the normal water. Okay, that's the reason I have purchased this. And coming to the cost of this two-way water pipe is, and this is very reasonable, it is around 260 rupees. And I asked this in the outlet over near me, they means the physical store. They mentioned something like this 350 rupees, and I'll do a detailed experience video. Means once I use it for 3 to 4 months, I'll do a detailed video that how are these valves when I operate this. See, the best thing is easy to operate this. And for the portable geyser I purchased this because with the single water output it is not possible for me. So with the same water connection to have two outputs, I purchased this. Please do comment your questions, and if you want the installation process, I'll do it also.